Hey guys, so in this tutorial I will show you how to fix the incompatibility problem on Adobe Premiere with the NKV format. Okay, so let's begin. For example, if I want to import an MKV video like I have here, where you can see that it's an MKV, if I open it, it will say file import failure. Okay, so to fix that, we need to download a software called VLC. We can type it on our search bar where it says VLAN, this one. We can click here, and actually you can see where it says download VLC, we can click here. Okay, so after you have it, you will install it, we can open it. So this is the software. We can click on media, and where it says convert save, we click here, or you can press Ctrl R, and where it says add, we will add our video in MKV. Okay, so we can go to download in my case and search for the MKV video in this case, and I can click on open. After that, we can click on convert save, and we can select the format we want to convert. So we know it's MKV, and we can convert it to MP4, which is compatible with Premiere. So in my case, I will choose this one with this codec and this audio format, and we can just select the folder where it will be the converted video. In my case, I just put it MP4. In this case, as you can see, containers.mp4. Got it. So we click save and we click on start. And after that, you will see a progress bar on the bottom that indicates the time that it will take to convert this video to MP4. Depending on the size and the weight or the resolution of the video, this could take a long time. Okay, so it's very important for you guys to know that. Okay guys, so after you have that completed, we can go to the root where the video should be, and as you can see here, we click on properties, is MP4. So if we drag it to Premiere, we can import it. You will see that actually it is an MP4 video, and now it works. So thank you guys, this is the tutorial. Bye bye.